Be sure to unplug your SuperC before removing the cover or performing any maintenance. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the drive belt on your SuperC extractor. This is not a common piece of maintenance, but it may come up. We recommend you first remove the cylinders so you have more room to work inside the system. We have a separate video on cylinder removal, so please refer to that if you're unsure how to do so. Once the cylinders are removed, we can check the tension on the belt currently so you have a point of reference when we're retensioning. Loosening these 4 bolts will allow us to loosen the motor. With the motor loose, we can take the belt off of the motor pulley. To get the belt off of the large pulley, we lay it flat behind the pulley against the housing and slide it through. With the old belt out, we can install a new belt. To install the new belt, we'll slide it behind the pulley and back into place. With the new belt up around the rear pulley, we can now put it around the motor pulley. You can now retension the belt, tightening the motor bolts to hold it in place. There are a couple of ways to retension the belt. I find the easiest is to take a long-handled screwdriver, such as this one, and use it as a lever against the post. Once it's snug, that's good enough. And we use the same 3/8 inch driver that we used before to loosen to snug the bolts down. Checking that our tension is the same as before, our drive belt has now been replaced and we can reinstall the cylinders. This is Chris with OCO Labs. Thanks for watching.